Hey, thanks for watching today. My name is Kevin Brown. I'm with All Star Medical, and we're going to talk about the iGo portable scooter. This is by Pride Mobility. It's one of their newest models that they have out. Pride's been making scooters for a long time. They've got a lot of great designs and things like that. This one's pretty unique with a couple features that it has on it. First of all, you'll probably see the size of it. This is made for a larger individual. It has a 275-pound weight capacity, but it's got good foot room, clearance, and things like that. You can see I've got plenty of room. I'm 5'8", but if you were 6 foot, you would still feel pretty comfortable in this because there's a lot of room to reach out and drive this. So just to give you a visual of that. You'll also, one of the things I like to show on this, you'll notice that right here, we have a, I believe it is 4 1/4. Yeah, 4 1/4 is the ground clearance, which is in the mid frame underneath there. A lot of these scooters have 2 inches, stuff like that, so it sits really high. So that's a nice feature that it offers. Large back wheels. The motor is actually on the front wheel here versus the rear wheel, and that's for the way this disassembles. Here in a minute, you'll see why they have that done. You've got a 45.9-inch turning radius, so, you know, pretty standard. About 42 to 47 is about the average when it comes to mobility scooters. Your overall width is 20.3 inches, so plenty of room to go through door frames, things like that. Your overall length is 44 inches. So, you know, again, pretty standard when it comes to that stuff. 8-inch on the front wheel, 9-inch on the back wheel as far as size-wise. Your seat is technically a 16 by 16, but it looks a lot bigger. I think it's technically more of a deeper seat. So it's more of closer to like an 18-inch depth here. Per charge, if you watch any of the videos, you'll know I'm not a huge fan of saying this or talking about how far it will go, but it says it will go up to 7 miles with somebody that's 275 pounds, and it will go up to 9.3 miles with somebody that's 220 miles. Or 220 pounds, I should say. So I usually go by time frame. Usually you're about 8 hours. Again, that does depend on the individual weight and the terrain they're driving the mobility scooter on. Your base weight for this whole thing is actually 60 pounds. The heaviest piece is 32.8 pounds. You have a 25.2 volt, 9.6 amp lithium battery that's actually set up to be right here. Charger I have underneath here, so it's got a little compartment for the charger. It also has a box in the back here that's pretty cool, that you can put the charger back here or other stuff and it zips up. So it's a nice little bag. The colors that this comes in are black. This one is the white. They make an iceberg blue and a sugar plum, which is this color here. So a couple different options there. On your handlebars in here, we're going to zoom back in one more time. I'm going to show you. We're going to turn this on so you can see there's your light package, battery life, horn. It does have a turtle and a rabbit speed as far as setting it up in or outdoors. There's also a little LED light that's on the front there. Not a big light, but it works, you know, if you're outside at night. It also has a built-in USB port right here, so you could charge something like your phone if you had it with you. So pretty cool little feature there. I'm going to show you how this disassembles and then kind of go from there. So I always want to make sure I've got the scooter turned off. First thing to do is there's a little lever right here, okay? This allows the back to go down, all right? And then what you do is there's another lever under here. Raise this up, lift, and then that goes down there, okay? So the next thing, you grab right here, there's a handle here and a handle here. And what I do is I take this and I squeeze this handle and I pull up. And then everything sits just like that, okay? So that's how it's folded. If I want to travel with this and go somewhere, I can actually pull this just like this. So you're pulling the whole 60 pounds. It would be nice if you were doing this in the airport or something like that, if you needed it compact to take it to the gate. It is FAA approved. Just check with your local airlines and stuff like that about what your handling there. If I want to disassemble it, I'm going to undo this right here. Take this lever and this lever. And then what I'm going to do is just lift this off. So again, the heaviest portion would be 32 pounds is the heaviest one, which is this one. And the other one, this makes this 28. But that's the two pieces you have. You can put in the trunk of a car or back seat. They're very foldable and compatible. When you go to set it back on, it's simply just sitting right here, locking these back down, and doing the same thing I did earlier. I'm going to squeeze, hold this lever, and hold down. And then I'm going to squeeze this lever underneath here, raise up, take that, and we're ready to go. So again, this is the iGo. It's by Pride Mobility. Pride makes great products, great warranties, things like that. If you're interested in this chair, give us a call at All Star Medical. We're available online or by phone. Our website is allstarmedicalllc.com, and our phone number is 615-730-9438. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.